Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. In today's video I thought I would unbox some packages that I have received recently. This is PR and stuff that I have brought, and I had a bunch of packages stacked up, and my friend was like, oh, you should totally unbox them on your YouTube because she loves those kind of videos. So here I am with all my packages. I have opened some because I wasn't planning on doing a video and I'm impatient, so most of them are still in the boxes, so let's just get into it. So the first package, this is from Feel Unique, and this is stuff that I actually bought myself. So I'll show you what I got. From Feel Unique I bought, first of all, the new Huda Beauty. Oh, my hair's all in my face. So first thing I got was the new Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. I'm really excited to try this. I love hydrating face mist and I love Huda Beauty. Then I picked up the Inkilia Ceramide Night Treatment. I love this. This is a repurchase. Then I got, the Barry M That's Swell Extreme Lip Plumping Gloss. I'm really excited to try this. Somebody recommended it to me on Instagram. Said it's really good and it's really cheap. So, yeah. And then lastly, I picked up the Saturday Skin Cotton Cloud Probiotic Power Mask. I can't order online without ordering some sheet masks because I love them, and this one sounded interesting. So the next package, my package is so hard to get into. Oh, this is some stuff from Frank Body, and I've got, guess what, You'll Be Naked in a Minute Original Coffee Scrub, and then I have the Frank Body Glow Mask. Oh, this sounds super intriguing. I actually really like this skincare, so thank you very much Frank Bod for Thank you very much, Frank Body, for sending me those. I'm very excited to try them. Oh, I think this is, I ordered something from Makeup Revolution, so I think this is it. I just ordered one thing and I know what this is. This is the Makeup Obsession All A Blur Pore Blurring Primer. This is huge, actually. It's like way bigger than regular sticks. This I see on their I see somebody posting about this on TikTok, and they applied it to her arm and it literally blurred half of her arm. So I'm really excited to try that. I will keep you updated. And then, oh, this is another one that I actually bought myself. It's a Beauty Bay order. Oh, I completely forgot about all the stuff I ordered. I ordered the Milani matte bronzer because everybody was raving about these a while ago and they were out of stock for ages, and they just come back in stock, so I grabbed that. And then these are repurchases. I picked up the Makeup Revolution Charcoal Purifying Mask and the Makeup Revolution Pink Clay Mask. I've tried both of these before and I really like them. Oh, and then I bought the Makeup Revolution Anti-Blemish Boost Anti-Imperfection Intense Azelaic Acid Moisture Cream. I'm really excited to try this. I brought this to review for you guys, so I hope you want to see that. And then I picked up, did I order two? Oh, apparently I ordered two of the Beauty Bay skincare range Nourishing Oil serums. I'm sure, why would I have ordered two of the same one? Let's check the receipt. Oh, I did order two. Well done, Leanne. Well, so I have two of them now, so hopefully it's good, and then I've got a backup. And then, I've opened this because I was impatient. This is a Super Jug order. Oh my god. I don't have enough space. First up, I picked up a bunch of my favourite sheet masks. They were on offer, and they are the Garnier Nutrition Bomb Milky Tissue Mask. I got two of the avocado ones and two of the coconut ones. These are amazing. They're my favourite sheet mask ever. So I stocked up on those. And then I got a... Oh, I don't want to drop them. And then I bought... How freaking cute are these little eyeshadow palettes from ELF? I'm sure you've probably seen these everywhere before, but I just thought it was super cute. They were £3, so I got 3. Yeah. I picked up some more stuff for ELF. I got the ELF Primer Glow Oil. That sounds right up my street. Oh, and then I got the ELF Liquid Eyeshadow Glitter. The ELF Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Flirty Birdie. Oh, it's just a really pretty bronzy colour. Oh, and I also got the ELF Dream On Lip Gloss in Electric Lemonade. I don't think that's going to be blue. I'm hoping it's going to be clear. But I picked that up. That's my Superdrug haul. Oh, and then I've got a few random bits which I've already unpackaged. And this I got in PR from Living Proof. The Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This bottle is huge. I really like this dry shampoo. It's one of the favourites it's one of the best dry shampoos I've ever used. So now I've got a nice big bottle. So thank you very much, Living Proof. Also in PR I got Skin Iceland Arctic Face Oil. I'm really excited to try that. And they also kindly sent me the Pure Cloud Cream. I'm really, really excited to try these. So thank you very much, Skin Iceland. Oh, and I bought this from Amazon myself. And this is the Contant Deep Treatment Mask. I'm really excited to try that. I really, really like Contant products. So I thought I'd get an intense conditioner. Oh. And then we have another package, and this one is from Thrive Cosmetics, and they kindly sent me their Moisture Flash Active Nutrient Toner. I really like Thrive Cosmetics skincare. It's really good, so I'm super excited to try that. And then this is some stuff that I bought myself. The Solista Super Hydration Instant Facials, pack of 3. I got these from Amazon. Amazing, amazing sheet mask, highly recommend. And these came in PR. These are from Wizard, and this is the SPR Sensitive. Oh, what is this? The Double Cleansing Balm, Soothing and Anti-Pollution. That sounds right up my street. I really like this packaging as well. And then I got the Aqua Gel, which is for normal to combination skin. Guessing that's just like a serum or something. Thank you very much, SVR. I'm very excited to try those also. Oh, and lastly, I ordered this myself from Amazon, and this is the, I can't say this, Yao Intensive Repair Cream. This is like the matching moisturizer to the essence that I love, so I'm super excited to try that. And lastly we have this. It's like wrapped up, so let's get in here. Oh, it's the bag. Oh, how cute is this? This is from Arc Skincare. Oh, I love it when brands do little packages like this. Send a little bag. What have we got in here? Oh, it's all like cutely wrapped, like a little present. So what have we got? We've got the Arc Skincare Skin Essential Advanced Action Plumping Lip Cream. Oh, that sounds really nice. And they also sent, oh look, a little Spectrum lipstick in the shade Juniper. Oh, how cute is that? Let's see what this shade is like. Oh, look at this packaging, that's so pretty. Oh, it's like a red, oh, that's like such a nice red colour. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. I've not actually tried any Spectrum makeup either, so I'm excited to try that. Thank you very much ARC Skincare for sending that over. And I think that is everything. So that is all the PR packages and stuff that I've bought this week, I want to say. Yeah, this is like a week's worth, which is super exciting. I've now got such a massive mess to clean up. I think I'm gonna pull you guys down and show you this mess. So like, it's now all on my desk and then all on the floor here. So that is everything that I've received in PR and I have bought this week. Thank you so much to the brands that kindly sent me stuff. I'm really excited to try everything and feature it over on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video and it wasn't a bit of a nothing video. So please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.